Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com CRO, take a look at Bitcoin, and let you guys know where I think we are headed here because we've had some very big pivotal moves that have happened over the past couple of days, and I want to tell you where I think we need to stay if we want to see this continue, or where we need to be rejected if we want to see this come to the downside. So let's hop into this video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at $33,476, up about 7.84% on the day. We have come down from about the $35,000 price level, which is to be expected, guys. Do not freak out about a little bit of a pullback after having such a significant move to the upside. Bitcoin dominance trading at 52.78%. When you exclude stablecoins, guys, 54.96%. We are almost at 55% Bitcoin dominance level. It's a very big deal, guys. It is a very big deal because it's exactly as what we've been saying here. It's exactly as predicted. The money is flowing out of the altcoins and into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is stealing the show leading into the Bitcoin halving. However, altcoins are rallying with it, which is a fantastic sign, a very healthy signal when it comes to the crypto asset class as a whole, because it indicates that money from the outside is flowing into the market, not just money inside of the asset class making a circular motion from the altcoins into Bitcoin, but there's money just flowing into the crypto asset class as a whole. However, Bitcoin is stealing the show. Let's take a look at Bitcoin because some very important price levels we need to pay attention to here, guys. Right now, this $32,700 price level, we're above it. We're looking at the weekly. But let's take a look at the daily because it shows a little bit more here. Right now, we are breaking above this 32,700 on the daily. We need these daily candle closes above this yellow line. We need closing above this yellow line. What I would like to see is a move to the upside here, a close above the 32,700. Now I would like to see a retest with a resumption. A breakout, retest, resumption. That's what we want to see, guys. We want to see that. That indicates strength. That indicates bullish continuation. And then we'll be able to start having some fun and making some new price targets above that. But as of right now, yes, we did have a fantastic move. Pat yourself on the back if you got to enjoy this move. It was a very good move on Bitcoin. But on to the next one, guys. We're on to the next one. What happens next? We need to see these daily candle closes above 32,700. If we decide to retrace down beneath 32,700, then we're going to be trading between 28,200 and 32,700 once again, unfortunately. But I do think that there is a price level to be looking out for around the $30,000 price level. But that support level is quite weak, in my opinion. But like I said, guys, we want to see these daily candle closes above 32,700 to see bullish continuation. Let's take a look at CRO because CRO is making some very significant moves that we need to keep a close eye on. Basically very similar to Bitcoin, as to be expected. Right here, I want you to keep an eye on this little tiny candle coming above this blue level of 5.5 cents, 0.0560 to be exact. We have tested it, and we have broken out above it. We need to see daily candle closes above it for us to be back in that quote-unquote safe area inside this channel right here between 5.5 cents and 10 cents. However, like I said with Bitcoin, if we decide to come down here and close below the 5.5, 6 cents, then there will be a rejection and we will start to make our way back down, unfortunately. And I do kind of, not to rain on a parade, on everybody's parade really, because I want to see this continue to the upside. I am biased. I have a big CRO bag. I want to see this move to the upside. But we're truthful here. I tell it how I see it. Bitcoin dominance is absorbing a lot of liquidity in the market. Bitcoin is stealing the show. The year leading up to the Bitcoin halving, is the year of accumulation. This is the time for Bitcoin to steal the show. And it's doing exactly that, guys. It's doing exactly that. It's absorbing the majority of the liquidity. Bitcoin dominance is destroying the pairs like Bitcoin versus Ethereum, Bitcoin versus all these altcoins. It's destroying it. It's destroying it right now. It was a slow bleed from the bottom at about $15,000, and now we're starting to ramp up a little bit. This ramp up is also in Bitcoin dominance. So I do believe that there is a higher likelihood that if we do come down, that we'll probably make our way back down to this price level that we were at, about 5 cents, 5.5 cents area, somewhere around there. But be patient, guys, because there will be a time, like you saw, even if Bitcoin does steal the show, there is still price action to the upside on altcoins. It's just you're better off to have your money in Bitcoin when that happens. It's as simple as that. When Bitcoin dominance is rallying, you want to be in Bitcoin. It's as simple as that. But as we get closer and closer to this halving, and we decide to get past this halving one day, it seems like we've been talking about forever, but when we do pass this halving, there will be a time when Bitcoin dominance decides to make its way down. That may be even when Bitcoin's at, say, $60,000, $70,000. Maybe we're up here, and Bitcoin decides to start to trade sideways for 3 months or so at a new all-time high, or maybe even around 60K before we reach the previous all-time high. And you're going to start to see these altcoins really, really rally hard. You're going to see Bitcoin dominance fall. And you're going to see altcoins rally hard. And that'll be the time to start playing around in the altcoins. That's why I've been saying for the past year, guys, that right now is not really the time to be accumulating altcoins unless you absolutely have to have it and it's part of your personal strategy. It's important that I say that because everybody's strategy is different. Everybody should have a different strategy, really, because trading is not really you versus the charts. It's you versus you. It's what's your mental capacity? How much effort do you want to put into paying attention to this, to how many different coins? Do you want to pay attention to just Bitcoin? Do you want to set it and forget it? Or do you want to be scalp trading on the 1 minute time frame over on BitGet? It's up to you. Everyone's got different strategies. But as of right now, I don't think that the time is to be buying altcoins. I think that Bitcoin still is going to come up. Right now, we're at a pretty pivotal point here, whether we decide to continue to move up to, say, 40,000, or if we decide to start to come back down to, say, 30,700. I mean, this was a very, very big rally, a very quick one. And usually, you come up really fast, and you got to retrace a little bit. It's just how the markets work. It's not a crash. It's not over. It's just how it works. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin to a different member every single month leading up to the Bitcoin halving. Love giving back to you guys. It's a lot of fun. Go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I do giveaways over there all the time as well. That's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching.